Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got a Dodge Charger doing 120-mile-per-hour flyby on Arkansas State Police. Shout out to LRA Shane Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description. That's the Charger zooming by. Cop comes right out. Looks like the Charger didn't even plan on stopping. So, this should be a good one. Smash the like button. Usually I had a mic in the video, eh? Move that a little closer. So the cop's speeding up. I don't have a speed reading. He's got the lights on. Okay. He's speeding up to 130 here. With no Charger in sight. Only Charger I see is the cops. Got a little Taco Bell going here, y'all. 1 a.m. video. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Can't stop, won't stop. Road to 500, y'all. So the cop caught up to the Charger. And the Charger still isn't stopping. Hopefully he's got the means to do so. Hopefully not a V6. Or it is. Maybe. Who knows? I'm gonna stop yapping. I need a haircut, y'all. I'm out here looking crazy. So the cop's gaining on him. He's gonna go in for the pit. Especially if this Charger is braking. Yeah. Okay, he's stopping.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands right now! Be quiet!
Okay, he's giving up.
Hands out the window! Hands out the window!
Very unusual.
Hands out the window! Turn the car off! Turn the car off!
And he's taking him back on the chase. Work, 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 work. ASP, y'all know y'all got that set out for y'all, man. Got my paddock size for the boys. So now this is a high-speed pursuit. Now the cop's gonna go in for the pit when he catches them. Which he already did. He caught up. He's gaining on him and gaining on him. If you guys don't know, on a show where I watch police chases, if the cops catch the bad guy, I clap it up, eat a donut. This guy's gotta be intoxicated, bro. Just the bridge to Tennessee? Memphis? Cops gonna have to kill the lights? Oh yeah, he's went to Tennessee on him. Or it looks like that's what he's attempting to do.
If you cross that bridge, we're in 1022.
Yep. They gotta kill that Chase. He's not in jurisdiction. So, damn. Charger kind of outsmarted him. I don't condone running in front of police, but I mean, y'all seen what this guy just did. He just went to state lines, and I mean, what can they do? It's 1022 it, man. You gotta call it off. You know what I mean? I don't know what we even do for the criminals. I don't do nothing special for the criminals. But this Charger wasn't caught, y'all. V6 or whatever the heck it was, man. They ain't catch it. Damn. Well, that was easy. Let me know down in the comments what y'all would have done in this situation. Will you have pulled over? Will you have went to state lines and just, you know what I mean, tested their authority? Because they're definitely, once you come across that line, they're coming right for you, man. You're a target for sure. Anyways, this is JTSpeeds, and I am out. Peace.
And I was just with Orlando, selling your thought. I'm selling bricks in Orlando, changing the spot. I got a Glock in the